Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. Also, make sure you turn off the water supply to the washer. In this video, we'll show you how to replace a drum baffle in a Whirlpool washer. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a 1/4-inch nut driver, a flat blade screwdriver, a pair of large pliers, a heavy mallet, and a wooden block. When you open up the package, you're going to get 3 new drum baffles. This set of 3 baffles are mounted on the inner surface of the basket. They toss the clothes inside when the basket is rotating, playing an important role in the washing process. If the drum baffle breaks loose, it should be replaced ASAP to prevent damage to the clothing. Now we're at the back of the washer and we're going to remove the top. I'm using a 1/4-inch nut driver and I'm going to take out 3 screws. Next, I'm going to push the top back a little bit and lift it off. Let's open the door. Now we need to rotate the inner tub so the baffle would be right at the top. Now we're at the top of the washer and I'm going to use the large pliers to remove this hose clamp. And I squeeze and pull it off, and we're going to remove the hose also. After we remove the hose, we will see if there's a screw that holds the baffle. In our case, we don't have the screw. That's what we want to see. Next, I would like to rotate this inner basket for about a couple of inches. So we will expose the tab here in this opening. We can see the tab. So I'm going to insert the flat blade screwdriver under the tab and we're going to bend it up. Okay, if you will hold this basket from inside, it will help. And a little more. Okay, I'm going to rotate the basket so this baffle would be at the bottom. And then we're going to use a brutal force to remove it. A wooden block goes right here in front, and I'm going to use a mallet to punch it. And I'm going to take it off. Spray and clean everything here underneath of the baffle before installing a new one. This is the old drum baffle next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Okay, so we're going to show you how to install one drum baffle. The rest of them will be installed exactly the same way. As you can see, we have 8 cutouts in this drum, and we have 8 tabs, locking tabs on the baffle. We're going to turn it over, place it closer to the rear, and as you notice that it goes in with this hole at the back is facing the rear. Alright, so we're going to place that a little backwards, so then we're going to push it down and slide it forward. I'm going to place my hand behind and push it forward. I'm going to bring heavy artillery. I'm going to use this mallet. Remember, be nice and gentle. And right, let's rotate the tub. So we have this baffle on the top. All right, I'm going to insert the flat blade screwdriver on the top of this tab and bend it down. Okay, now it's locked in the position. All right, next we're going to place this hose back on. We have little tabs here and little cutouts, so we're going to match them. And now, using the pliers, I'm going to squeeze the clamp and push it down. All right, now I'm going to install the top panel. Place it about an inch, a little less than an inch away from the control panel, and pull it forward. Then we're going to install the 3/4 inch screws at the back using the 1/4 inch nut driver. Alright, I'm going to push it down so we'll install the screw. Turn on the water, plug the washer in and run it to check if it works properly and there's no leaks. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.